buses parked all around where there used to be a door. But that place called the Grand Ole Opry just ain't there, just ain't there no more, ain't there no more. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ole Opry. They're gonna tear down the sound that goes around our song. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ole Opry. Another good thing's done gone on, done gone on. Right across from the Wax Museum, they used to line up around the block. From East Tennessee and back down home they came. All of a sudden, where there once was a door, there now stands a level lock. Broad Street will never be the same. I've been in love with Grand Ole Opry, and I guess I have now for a good many years. When I hear the Grand Ole Opry, it makes me sad that it's gonna disappear, gonna disappear. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ole Opry. They're gonna tear down the sound that goes around our song. They're gonna tear down the Grand Ole Opry. Another good